Day 16 of building German sentences without memorizing words. Today we witness a massive double-verb collision at the dead end of the track, and I'll show you who survives. Look what happens when two rules collide. Day 11 told you separable prefixes like an get blasted to the absolute end. Day 12 told you modal helper verbs like will also boot the action verb to the absolute end. Here is the ultimate engine physics law. The modal helper verb completely deactivates the separable explosion. Because will rules position 2, the action verb anrufen stays completely glued together as one solid brick at the dead end. The prefix never leaves the mothership. You take your English tracks, I want you to call. Real German. Ich will dich anrufen. No splitting, no stray prefixes. Just a solid infinitive verb parking at the finish line. Modal verbs, heal, separable splits. Hit follow for day 17, where we flip the entire engine entirely backwards to master the native passive shift.